Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to save your game in Project Zomboid. First, know that Project Zomboid doesn't have a traditional manual save button during gameplay like many other games. There isn't a quick save or save game now option in the menus. Instead, the game uses autosaving tied to key events. The biggest one is exiting properly. When you quit to the main menu or exit to desktop, the game automatically saves your progress, including your character stats, inventory, and what you have done in the world. Then when you restart and choose continue, you'll resume from your latest autosave. Another important autosave trigger in single player is sleeping in a bed. Whenever you wake up from sleep, the game saves your progress. This is useful because if a crash happens later, your last sleep point will be the most recent save. There's no in-game button to instantly save exactly when you want, so your best practice is to exit through the menu or sleep regularly to make sure the game writes your progress to disk. And that's how saving works in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.